Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Removal of oxidized stains and even surface rust can be done by using a paste made from baking soda and water, or a cleaner that contains oxalic acid, such as Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleanser. If using baking soda and water, use a cloth or soft bristle brush. Rub the baking soda in the direction of the grain.
Take our lead.
How to get rust off stainless steel. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water. Rub the baking soda solution on the rust stain using a toothbrush. Baking soda is non-abrasive and will gently lift the rust stain from the stainless steel. Rinse and wipe the spot with wet paper towel. The 6th of June 2011.
Let's help you make your mark.
Get rid of rust. If you have any rust stains or tools covered in rust, Coca Cola will eat away at the rust for you. Leave the rusty object submerged in Coke for an hour or overnight and then scrub off the rust. 29 May 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Leftover residue from cleaning solutions can damage a stainless steel finish, so it's essential to make rinsing part of the routine. Never leave stainless steel to soak in solutions that contain chlorine, vinegar, or table salt, as long-term exposure to these can damage it. 7 October 2015.
Take our lead.
Mix borax and lemon juice together to form a paste. You also can use baking soda if you don't have any borax on hand. Apply the paste to the rust, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes, longer for rustier objects. If the paste starts to dry out, just spray a bit of water over it to re-wet it. 27 March 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.